What if your private apps could finally talk to your public ones without compromising your privacy? Samsung just pulled that off, and it changes everything. One UI 8, built on Android 16, isn't just another software update. It's shaping up to be Samsung's most practical and privacy-focused upgrade yet. And if you've been holding out for a reason to upgrade your Galaxy, well, this might be it. Welcome back, viewers! Sam here. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech heads, and hit that subscribe button for more updates just like this. All right, let's dive in. So, Secure Folder. Here's the exciting news. You can now reserve Samsung's upcoming Galaxy devices and unlock amazing benefits without making any payment upfront. Just click the special link in the description, which takes you straight to the official Samsung reservation page. There, you'll also get an exclusive sneak peek at their unpacked teaser trailer. Once you're on the site, simply scroll down and enter your first name, last name, and email address. You can also add your phone number if you like. Make sure to check the giveaway box and answer 2 quick questions. Once the Reserve Now button turns blue, tap it, and you're all set. By reserving early, you'll automatically get a chance to win 5,000 Samsung credit, receive a 50,000 Samsung credit, and unlock savings of up to 150 on your next Galaxy device. No strings attached, just free perks for showing interest early. You know, that hidden vault on your Galaxy device where your secret apps, files, and spicy memes go to hide, it's getting a massive glow up. Samsung is finally making it feel like it belongs to the rest of your phone, without actually exposing it. Here's the magic. With One UI 8, a new option called Show Secure Folder Apps in the Share panel lets you send stuff directly into your private apps without jumping through hoops. Imagine sharing a photo straight from your gallery to a secure messaging app you've locked away. No extra steps, no awkward workarounds. It's just there. Even better, it works in reverse too. Apps inside Secure Folder can now share things outside without you having to unlock or copy files manually. And yes, the feature is off by default because privacy always comes first, but enabling it takes just a few taps. Settings are Secure Folder, other security settings, boom, done. Behind the scenes, this upgrade is powered by Android's new Private Space API, which replaces Samsung's old system and makes everything smoother, lighter, and better integrated. Translation: faster performance, fewer bugs, more control. But wait, there's more. Samsung's adding a brand new Secure Folder toggle to your quick access panel. One tap, and you can instantly hide or unhide the Secure Folder icon from your app drawer. No more digging through settings if someone's peeking over your shoulder. Subtle, smart, and super useful. And this isn't just theory. One UI 8 is already in testing on the Galaxy S25 series, and word is it'll debut out of the box on the upcoming Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and the Flip 7 Yup, the foldables are coming, and One UI 8 will lead the charge. We're expecting a rollout soon after for older flagships and supported mid-range phones. If you're unsure if your phone makes the cut, Samsung's Update Tracker is your new best friend. Now let's talk Galaxy AI. You've probably used Audio Eraser before, Samsung's clever trick for removing background noise from videos. But what if I told you that One UI 8 takes this a step further? Leaked footage, yep, the kind that disappears and reappears like a tech ghost, shows Audio Eraser working in real time. No edit mode, no delay, just tap play, and boom, noise reduction kicks in as you watch. Whether it's dogs barking, traffic rumbling, or people talking behind the camera, it's gone. Instantly. Ice Universe. The legendary leaker claims this upgrade is already being tested in internal builds. If it launches with the foldables, this could be one of the coolest AI upgrades Samsung's ever done. No more pausing to clean up audio, your phone just gets it. But here's where it gets wild. Samsung's Object Eraser is also leveling up. You remember the feature, circle a thing in your photo, and it disappears like it was never there. With One UI 8, it's sharper, smarter, and more precise than ever. New tests show it handles reflections, shadows, crowded scenes, even glass and weird lighting, with freakish accuracy. That group photo with a photobomber in the back.
Gone.
Random trash in your beach shot. Poof. Thanks to improved AI and shadow detection, even tricky edits look natural now. And here's the juicy part. Rumors hint at a video version of Object Eraser coming soon. Imagine scrubbing out unwanted people or objects from your videos just like you would from a photo, directly on your phone. Samsung hasn't confirmed it yet, but early beta testers are buzzing. All these updates, secure folder upgrades, real-time audio eraser, sharper object eraser might sound like small things, but together they reshape how Galaxy devices handle privacy, creativity, and convenience. It's not just about gimmicks, it's about tools that actually help you every day. And if you're thinking of switching phones, Samsung's foldable lineup might be your perfect excuse. Not only do you get these smart new features baked in from day one, but Samsung's also rolling out major early buyer perks. We're talking limited time deals, bonus storage, exclusive colors, yeah, the works. So whether you're here for privacy upgrades or AI magic, or you're just a fan of clean photos and less background noise, One UI 8 has something that'll surprise you. Alright, That's a wrap from me. Which feature are you most excited to try out? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. Catch you in the next one. Peace!